Okay, I want to show you how to insert and delete columns as well as rows. Always remember, if you're going to insert a column, if you click on this D, you will insert a blank column to the left of it. Always remember, whichever one you choose, whatever column you choose, it will insert to the left. And always remember, if you're trying to insert 3, you don't have to do them one at a time. You highlight all 3 columns, right click in the gray area, and where it says insert, you see, it inserted 3 blank columns. Now, just remember that when you do insert that, always remember that, let's say that you wanted to insert 3 rows. If you right click and you hit insert, it's going to put them above the ones that you highlighted. You see? Always remember, when you're inserting columns, it will insert to the left. If you're inserting rows, wherever you highlight, it will insert above those rows. And the same way, you highlight 3 of the rows and choose insert, it will insert 3 blank rows. That's how you insert columns as well as rows.